Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play Getting Over It like a pro. To truly excel, you must first internalize the game's unique physics. Your hammer is your only tool, so learn its every nuance. Focus on making small, deliberate movements rather than grand, sweeping gestures. This precision will prevent many frustrating falls. Remember, every inch gained is a victory, and rushing often leads to setbacks. Cultivate patience. It's your most powerful asset in this challenging climb. Developing expert hammer control is paramount. The snake technique involves small, continuous hammer movements to glide horizontally with precision. For vertical challenges, master the hook method, where you firmly grasp edges and pull yourself up. The pogo jump, a quick downward strike, allows for surprising vertical boosts on flat ground. Always prioritize safe resets after a fall. Sometimes, a controlled descent is better than a desperate scramble. These techniques will significantly improve your climbing efficiency. The mental game is just as vital as physical control. Maintaining a calm and focused mindset prevents impulsive errors that lead to devastating falls. Before attempting a tricky section, visualize your path and the precise hammer movements required. Every fall is a learning opportunity. Analyze what went wrong and how to avoid it next time. If frustration builds, take a short break, even just for 5 minutes. Returning with a fresh perspective can make all the difference in overcoming obstacles. Consistent practice is the only way to truly master getting over it. Dedicate time to repeatedly attempt sections where you frequently struggle, building muscle memory. Observe expert players to discover new strategies and refine your own approach. Don't be afraid to experiment with subtle variations in hammer angles and swing speeds. Tiny adjustments can yield significant results. Finally, challenge yourself by aiming for a personal best completion time, pushing your skills to their absolute limit.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.